Welcome to Choice Champions. The best sink sprayer is probably one of the most underrated yet incredibly useful kitchen accessories you can own, transforming mundane dishwashing into a more efficient and less messy chore, making it an essential upgrade for any modern kitchen aiming for both functionality and a cleaner workspace. Number 5. Hygie Rinse Kitchen Sink Side Sprayer Set. Upgrade your kitchen sink with this versatile side sprayer. It's designed for easy cleaning and convenience in your daily tasks. Featuring a standard 1/4-foot female thread, it fits most common faucet sprayer heads. This includes popular brands like Moen, Kohler, and Delta. Installation is a breeze with the included adapters. We provide a quick connect for Moen and barb connectors for Delta, ensuring a great fit. Effortlessly control the water flow with a simple one-thumb button. Its focus spray tackles tough messes and cleans hard-to-reach spots. This comprehensive set includes everything you need: the sprayer head, hose, holder, adapters, and more. It's a practical solution for your kitchen faucet. With its refined chrome finish, this sprayer not only performs exceptionally but also adds a modern touch to your kitchen sink. What we like? This option comes with everything you need for installation, including multiple adapters for broad compatibility. If you are looking for a complete and hassle-free replacement kit that works with many faucet brands, this is a great choice. What people say. The sprayer head has a good weight and feels solid in hand. It offers multiple spray settings, including a powerful stream and a gentle shower, which are great for different tasks. The installation was straightforward and it connected seamlessly to my existing faucet. Number 4. Universal Kitchen Sink Side Sprayer Head Replacement. This replacement sprayer head is designed to fit most OEM faucet side sprayers from major brands like Kohler, Delta, and Moen. Please measure your faucet's thread size to ensure a perfect match before purchasing. Setting it up is a breeze with all the necessary components included, such as washers and clips. We even provide extra replacement parts for your convenience. Installation does not include the faucet hose. Made from high-grade ABS plastic, this sprayer head is built to last, resisting scratches and stains. It's a smart, affordable way to replace your old sprayer without needing a whole new assembly. Its compact and lightweight design features a simple one-button control, allowing for easy water dispensing with just your thumb. The focus spray effectively tackles tough messes. Featuring a refined brushed nickel finish, this sprayer head not only performs exceptionally but also adds a touch of modern style to your kitchen sink. What we like? This sprayer head offers a stylish brushed nickel finish and is built from durable ABS plastic. If you need a cost-effective way to replace just the sprayer head and want a modern look that resists scratches and stains, this is the one for you. What people say. The sprayer head has a very nice weight and feel to it. It has a good spray pattern and is easy to switch between spray and stream. The installation was straightforward and it fit perfectly with my existing faucet. Number 3. Kitchen Faucet Head Replacement with 15 Adapter Kit. Upgrade your kitchen sink with this versatile faucet head replacement. It comes with 15 adapters, ensuring compatibility with most major brands for a hassle-free installation. Experience flexible cleaning with 3 distinct water modes: stream for gentle rinsing, spray for powerful cleaning, and a dedicated flushing mode for tough stains. Crafted from high-quality ABS plastic with a brushed nickel finish, this faucet head is built for longevity and a sleek look in your kitchen. No extra tools are needed for installation. Simply unscrew your old head and replace it with the new one in minutes. All necessary accessories are included. Featuring silicone nozzles, it's easy to clean and prevents rust. Enjoy a no-splash experience that saves water and energy while filtering impurities. Please confirm your faucet's hose type and measure the thread size before buying. It's not suitable for RV or pull-out faucets, and does not include Pfister or Glacier adapters. What we like? With 3 distinct water modes, stream, spray, and flushing, this sprayer head offers great versatility. If you often find yourself needing different water flows for various tasks, from gentle rinsing to tough scrubbing, and appreciate a wide range of compatibility with its 15 adapters, this is an excellent option. What people say. The sprayer head has a sleek, modern design that complements my kitchen. It offers multiple spray settings, including a powerful stream for rinsing and a gentle spray for washing. Installation was surprisingly easy, and it fits perfectly with my existing faucet. Number 2. Delta Trinsic Pro Single-Handle Spring Spout Faucet. Tired of messy hands? With a simple touch anywhere on the spout, you can start or stop the water flow. You can also easily check the water temperature from across the room with the LED indicator light. Experience the convenience of magnetic docking. A powerful magnet ensures the sprayer snaps securely into place, preventing it from drooping over time. Our patented diamond seal technology is designed to last twice as long as the industry standard. This means you can count on leak-free operation for the lifetime of your faucet. Installation is a breeze, designed to fit both single-hole and three-hole configurations. Integrated supply lines make it even easier, with one less potential leak point. Keep your faucet looking pristine with ease. The touch-clean spray holes allow for quick removal of mineral buildup, and the finish resists water spots and fingerprints. Install with confidence. This kitchen faucet is backed by our lifetime limited warranty, ensuring peace of mind for years to come. What we like? This faucet features advanced Touch 2.0 technology for touch-activated water control and a powerful magnetite docking system. If you value convenience with messy hands, a secure sprayer fit, and long-term reliability with its leak-free design, this is a premium choice for a modern kitchen. What people say. The sprayer head has a good weight and feels substantial. It has 3 spray settings: stream, spray, and pause, which are all useful. The pause function is particularly handy for preventing water from spraying out when not in use. Number 1. Hygie Rinse Universal Kitchen Sink Spray Head Set. Introducing our Universal Kitchen Sink Spray Head, Hose, and Holder Set. This versatile attachment is designed to enhance your kitchen sink's functionality. It comes with 3 additional adapters, including quick connect options for Moan and Barb connectors for Delta. These ensure a fit for most common faucet brands. The hose features a standard 1/4-foot female thread, making it compatible with a wide range of popular faucet brands like Kohler, Delta, and Moan. Effortlessly control the spray with a simple 1-thumb button. Its high-concentration nozzle provides a focused spray for effective cleaning. The side sprayer boasts a refined brushed nickel finish, adding a touch of modern design to your kitchen sink area. This comprehensive set includes everything you need: the spray head, hose, holder, adapters, Teflon tape, and clips for a complete replacement solution. What we like? This package provides a complete set, including the sprayer head, hose, and holder, all with a sophisticated brushed nickel finish. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution that offers both style and functionality, and want to ensure it fits most standard faucets, this is a solid pick. What people say. The sprayer head has a nice weight and feels substantial. It offers multiple spray settings, which are very useful. The installation was straightforward and didn't require any special tools. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.